Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about creating a project base file from the Aguirre Rodin standard templates. So again, I have Autocad up. There are currently no drawings open. To create a new project file, do not click on this little button. Click on the Autocad menu and click New, or you can also hold Control on your keyboard and use the N button. I'm looking at these files that are right here. Anything that starts with an AR is going to be one of our customized templates. I'm going to create a mechanical drawing. So I'm going to use my mechanical template. And the first thing you notice is that it starts off as this is just a naked drawing name. I did that again. There's nothing here to indicate anything special about this drawing. Maximize, there we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save this file. So start a new drawing, save the file. Here is the folder that I created. Project name or standard project title block. Here is a quick architectural folder an architectural file that I put together. So I didn't even create the fake project directory. I should have done that, but this will be good for tutorial purposes. This is a mechanical file, so I'm going to call this mechanical level 1, and the 9999, that's just meant to be our internal project directory, or the project number. It's just so that we can keep track of things. So save the drawing, and you think, well, there's nothing special here, what's going on? Let me show you. These templates come with every single level that you will need for everything. You can see I've got all my pipes, cold water returns, condensed water, levels for drawing details. Let's sort through these. We've got levels for drawing details, all the levels for demolition, general notation layers, layers for existing elements to remain, and all of our layers for new construction. Everything in these templates, layer-wise, is set and pre-configured, and it's ready to be used. There's not a thing that we need to do other than basically then start drawing. So what I'm going to do is reference in our title block, not our title block, not yet. Get the architectural plan in first. So I'm going to scroll down, actually it's up at the top of the list in here. Oh, you can see, well, maybe you can't. Notice here that every single layer I have ends in N. That's my new layers. This little guy right here responds to whatever filter that you currently have selected here over on the side. So I'm going to set that to general. And now I can see nothing but my general layers. I have a layer specifically to put XREFs onto. So make that my current layer. I'll go to my XREF dialog, and I can either click on this and attach any one of these objects. I can attach an AutoCAD file. I can reference a raster image, a DWF file. Here's a fun one. I can reference a MicroStation file directly. I don't have to convert it. I don't have to do a save as, nothing like that. I can also attach a PDF file like we do any other type of reference. And something kind of new for those fancy laser 3D scanners that create a point cloud, we can actually import that into our own file. I've never done it before. That's supposed to be really helpful for creating 3D elements. Normally when we're doing something in AutoCAD, it's because we're doing something 2D, so I don't see a whole lot of us, I don't see us using the point cloud option very much. I'm going to attach a DWG file, and I'm going to navigate to my current directory, which just happens to be right here. And there's my architectural level 1. And I'm going to accept all the defaults. And let's zoom extents. There's my architectural base plan. Excuse me. Now I'm going to start, since this is a new construction, I'll look at the new construction filters. You'll notice that I can also look at just the layers that are in my architectural file. I don't want to see that. I want to see all my new construction, but you'll notice all my architectural new construction is here as well. So we'll have to scroll down through the list to get to all of our new construction. You can see I come up here there's that list of architectural levels. So at this point, I can just begin drawing whatever I need to. So, you know, supply lines and whatever. So here's my my new diffuser level. And if I'm going to place a diffuser, I will give more information. Look for a Autocad standard palettes video coming in the near future. I'm going to look at my mechanical tab, and I want to look at my diffusers, and I want to put a just pop in a 2x2 supply in a couple of places. And this will come in. Now if I want to put in an exhaust, if I highlight that layer, yeah, it's just on the ceiling diffuser layer. If I put in a wall diffuser, and also aim at which direction I want that wall diffuser to go, I'll zoom in, highlight that. I think it's on the wrong layer. But you'll notice I can change the size of that wall diffuser. That's some of the information that I have here on the palettes. So just so you know, I've got flow arrows that are ready to be used. And they're meant to be, they're meant to be placed like that, and then facing the same direction as the diffuser's going. So you're going to highlight this, and there it is right there, mechanical, HVAC, ceiling diffuser, and there's a layer specially for flow, and the palette automatically put this on the correct level. So I'm done with this part of it, and obviously this is way more basic than what we would need, but the function of the purpose of this video is to say is to instruct you there are palettes, they are pre-configured, they're ready to be used right out of the box, and I'm going to save the file, and we're done with this video.